$675,000 is what we've collected on 150 cases. We're invoking the consumers are invoking the appraisal clause on an average of 5 times per week at our center. That's just one little, well, we have 2 centers, but the main one is the one that's been open for 30 years, 40 years actually. 150 times, that's a $4,500 difference. Yes, we have to pay the appraiser, right? We don't mind paying the appraiser $800, $1,000. We're collecting $4,500, you know? So if it's less than $1,000, we just simply give the discount to the insurance company and the consumer pays $0. But a lot of vehicles are $8,000, $10,000. And so that's just an inexperienced adjuster that doesn't know any better, or an inexperienced supervisor manager, or someone that has certain policies within that entity, within that team, and they're choosing to play that hard game that they're choosing to play. And they want to keep us stuck in the repair between the consumer and the collision center. There's no need for that anymore.